All right, YouTube, we are back in effect with the Jordan 6 UNC joint that came out not too long ago. We finna take a look at this upper, you heard? Let's check it out, man. First thing you're gonna notice is this baby blue UNC, beautiful white and blue color blocking. For the baby blue fans, this is it, man. This is the one. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with the way this shoe looks. Obviously, right off the bat, you have the blue panels with the perforation holes and all that, and we're gonna hit it with some light. Anyway, stitching looks pretty clean. You know, the leather quality's pretty stiff. I'm not gonna lie. It's not tumbled, it's not plushed, it's not padded or anything, but I mean, it's leather nonetheless, and it's not the highest quality. But you know, we have a black and white midsole. If you guys know anything about the Jordan 6s, this is the first time that Jordan won the NBA playoffs, and you know, finally beat out the Pistons. And as you guys may or may not know, you have 23 right on the shoe. 23 has been designed directly on the shoe. Tinker did such a good job with this. The toe box on this is looking very supple. It's a short-haired nubuck. Problem with these toe boxes is, man, is when this shit gets dirty, it's never coming back, fam. These are one of those shoes that look crazy out the box, but as you beat them up, it's gonna look crazy and not so crazy. And all white laces, black neoprene tongue leading up into the UNC colored and obsidian colored Jordan brand symbol. Lace lock here, which we just saw from the Jordan 5, but without the clear hand pieces. The Jordan 6 kind of dropped that when they came in with that. One of the coolest things about this Jordan is the fact that they added these grooves in here, these holes, so that you can actually like put your finger in to really get the shoe on. So it works in tandem with the rear spoiler here. And speaking of spoilers, where did that spoiler design came from? Well, obviously Jordan had the Porsches up back in the day, and you know, Tinker designed it after his Porsche 911 that he had. I'll throw that up in the screen as usual, but if you guys watch my other 6 reviews, then you know that already. Anyways, one thing that we have that's totally and completely different on this pair than the other 6s is this Jordan brand patch, the quality inspired patch on the back with the UNC stitching. Really cool detail. I actually like the way these look. I mean, for the most part, a lot of people are, you know, they're purists and they want that either Jordan brand and the ever so coveted Nike brand, but for the most part, I like the way this looks, dog. Has a little bit of a red pop and there's just something different about it, you know what I mean? Really was always a fan, and this is kind of why I wanted to get the shoe to take a look at this patch in the first place. The back of this has that sort of print, the same print that you see on the Bordeaux 6s with the zigzag pattern that Jordan was rocking back in the day. And you know, a lot of these go with outfits. There's plenty of outfits to go with these shoes. Insoles, I will be taking these out to see if they're polyurethane, because oh yep, they're polyurethane. Woo! Look at that. That is crazy looking, man. The design on that is very nice. Gray Jordan brand on the heel. This is the new insoles that Nike and Jordan brand are using, the Dream cells, and these are really soft polyurethane insoles, man. Just the plushy on this is second to none. Really happy about this, and this makes the shoes ever so comfortable. In general, this shoe is pretty cool. We're gonna hit them with the light and get you guys the on foot to make sure that these are fire. Let's take a look at the outsole, because the outsole is one of the best baby blue UNC Jordan brand, right in the middle of the shoe, right in the shank plate area. And you know, I mean, you guys know how I am about the outsoles, man. The clear outsoles, these are gonna get dirty so fast, fam. Your head is gonna spin. These are going to turn colors after a while. This is gonna turn yellow. All this shit's gonna turn yellow. This might stay white, and these toe boxes are gonna be very hard to keep clean. So my suggestion is go true to size or up half a size. Me personally, I like going up half a size with these. Let me know if you guys had trouble copying these, because I didn't see them for a hot minute, fam. I'm not even gonna lie. For the most part, 6s are 6s, dog. If you've had one pair, you know how they fit. Me, I like that 10.5 swagger. At least now you're getting some poly polyurethane insoles. And one other thing, let's check out the box. They're starting to match the box with the color of the shoes. Thank God, Jordan Brand. Y'all starting to put that shit together. Box reads Air Jordan 6 Retro University Blue. Size 8 in men's because, well, that's all there was available. Made in China, RFID scan code, and yeah, man, you got the baby blue Jordan Brand boxing on this piece. Very nice. And I know a lot of you ladies are actually going to be copping this joint because, I mean, dog, this is just too clean. I think ladies would really, really look good in this. And, you know, for me, I don't think I'm going to be keeping this pair, but to be honest with you, I would love to see this pair on other people and love to see, it's like the cool grays. I don't own a pair, but I want to, you know, I want to see them on the road. So let me know if you guys copped these shoes. Did you get a pair for yourself? And are you still hunting for them, man? Because it's, you know, it's hard to find these J's sometimes, man. The bots be getting them. So we about to get to the on foot, but let me know what you guys think of these in the comments section. Is it the UNCs or the black UNCs that are better than this? Because we all know that they have the black 6 UNC color of this. This is the white version. Let me know what you think in the comment section, man. We'll be back with another one. Retro God. You already know, fam. Perfect.